got a RC car motor. It's broken, well, not usable, so don't worry about it too much. Some cables, and then you got the ESC down here. It's a little janky, but it's running off the solar panel, so you can see those red and black cables coming off down there, so we can get a wattage reading. So we're just going to fill up a bit and see what happens. Having an issue where the ESC isn't powerful enough. Not surprising though. Oh dear, we have a problem. Okay, so the shaft is bent on the motor. It was bent before, but it's bent even more now. So I'm just going to throw in the ingredients for a plastic soup. Going to add a bit of seasoning to it as well. Right, now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to full send it and see what happens. That's what happened. Okay. The answer is not a lot. Aha, cable has come out. That's probably why. But you can see the major issue we're having there now. That is very obviously not straight. And I don't think that is going to be fixed. It was already broken to begin with, but that's kind of why I did this, but oh well.